26. Feeling so freaking sleepy today. I think AI shot would be in a better stage at this point. Hey Varun, how are you? How are you doing? Varun, I found some changes in YouTube UI. You mean on the player? I think the player was changed from quite a long time. But any other new change you find out? Oh, yes, player, and the way it shows names of commenters. Oh, okay, that is also changed. Nice, 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 nice. I didn't know that. Home feed, I think we don't need here. We can just delete it. Hmm. So I'm just working on the small new app which I'm thinking to finish by Sunday. It's a very small, simple app which creates UGC AI content. And initially, the first version would be nothing, but some images. Like I got this idea from one of my friends started creating UGC ads, and I thought he's using a web app, and I thought it would be fun if he can just use an iOS for it. Also, I saw this app which is called Real Farm, which helps you make carousels and UGC. I'm thinking the UGC part I can make it as an app as well. They have pretty decent plans on their account. So I'm just checking what they are giving. So they have slideshow, hook and demo, create a hook and demo video. So I'm focusing on this hook and demo videos mostly for this. Varun, do you see this Apple orange iPhones are changing their color to rose pink? What is it? I don't know that. That's uh, that's pretty weird, man. Hey Shivanshu, hello, hello, hello. How you doing? Also for constant, I think it's time I should remove all this. This is all not needed in this new app. In the types, there is a sidekick job. It should be UGC maker. Mix panel has we can say UGC maker. Oh, API service let be. The header we have to change it to all good, nice. better is AI UGC Maker. This is a better title. In the paywall, it's fine. On the index, we can say UGC. Demo onboarding is fine. Sync version is fine. So other things are fine. We can just commit this code for now. The initializing of the fresh new app. GitHub private repo. Wait, before running is npx expo rebuild. But before that, let's go to app.json. Scheme is AI UGC maker. AI.ugc.maker. And this is AI UGC maker. Then AI UGC maker. Portrait icon UGC version code 1. Arshad, hello. Welcome, guys. Today I'm feeling very tired in a way, like I was about to take a nap. But then I thought let's start this new app today in this stream so that I can work on it. The good thing is I have already submitted all 3 of my apps for a review on App Store. So Apple has a lot of work to do now. This we don't need. Okay, now let's see if this is building. Let's see if there are any other such apps. UGC Maker app. But I have done no research or anything on this app. But basically the idea is it will help us create a very basic UGC talking head, which can become a hook of your video. So you can just use that to promote your things online. Because I'm not going directly with the generate videos category. I'm thinking of, yeah, something like this, like image to video or text to video. Or we can give like some options. Is this app allowed? Do they have an Android and iOS version as well? Or no? The GT Lab. Hello, hello. Hey, hello, hello. Samuel with COD. Hello, bro. Hello, guys. You guys are new. How's it going? The GT Lab is still unproductive. No app idea. I give up. Start building this Pomodoro app, which you see in my screen. Oh, I'm feeling so sleepy today. So basically, I'm starting on a new app which I'm planning to release, like finish by Monday. The idea is very simple that you can just create. I'll, such a wrong timing, Shrikar. Oh, this is my architecture for the new app, which is a web app, which I'm adding on post handle. So basically, this app will be, let's say, I'm calling it UGC Maker. Okay. So what it will do is it will. So if I have to just write it, it will AI help you create hook for your videos. So you get Samuel. Tell me about your project. So Samuel, like I'm working on couple of projects right now. If you go to like 100 indie bets, this is a website. You can check it out. So this is what I'm currently working on. Also, I have published a new blog here today itself. It's a whole thing why I'm doing this 100 indie bets thing. You guys also, like, I would appreciate if you guys can go through and read this blog. And basically, I'm currently working on, like, I have submitted my two apps already on App Store. I am hoping they will get released by next week. Apple will, if Apple gets, like, reviews them, because Apple has given me a hard time last 2 weeks on my app AI Shot, which was supposed to release last week, but it's been 2 weeks now, and Apple is just not ready to publish it so soon. So still, I made a lot of new changes today, submitted it again. Hopefully, it will get published this time. And the other app which I put is, it's also like, this is the app which I have submitted, which is a chart AI, which converts, like, you take a picture of any stock chart or any crypto chart, and it gives you a complete analysis of what's happening with that chart. So anyone who is as noob as I am, you will get some data, like instant AI chart analysis, some signals like should you buy or sell, some pattern detection, if AI can detect some pattern on that chart, which needs a lot of understanding. Then there are some indicator styles. There are some technical terms, which is like RSI, MACD, moving average, Bollinger Bands. So anyone who is into trading, core trading, I think Sam is. So Sam would know this. I had no idea about all this. So AI helps you analyze this app. And then there is a smart screener. Then there are some real-time alerts, is something which is currently not enabled, but once the app uh, has notifications, I will add it as its next update. So this is, right now it's not available. It's getting reviewed by Apple. So once they review it, this will be available. So this I submitted today. Now I'm moving on to another app, which because this week I had planned like I'll be publishing two apps. Another app which I'm picking now is it's a very quick app. I think it will help me promote my own content on social platforms like Twitter and Instagram or YouTube, which is like UGC Maker. Basically, okay, it's better if I can just clear my head my like here on this what it will do. So this app will help you make AI UGC content. Imagine just a 3 or 5 second talking head shot of a girl or a guy. Example, for example, if I have to promote my Pixfix apps, which converts your, so the tagline is convert old photos into uh, modern look or colorize. Now this is a tagline, so what I can say is in the app, make a UGC hook for an app which converts old photos into modern look or colorize them. So as a user, I will send this request, and this request will generate, output would be a video of 5 second guy talking, saying, can't believe this app brought my grandmom's old images into life. So the guys are just saying this, and I can use this video hook onto the reel or anything, where after this there will be a static demo of my app, which like the demo remains same, but the hooks keeps changing, and that's what I start putting out on social media. So this is the very basic MVP1 idea of this app, the UGC maker. I would also appreciate, I'm just taking a picture to send to my friend because he's calling a lot. Now for this I'm thinking, because I haven't thought a lot about it. I was just looking at a couple of other apps which are in the same domain. One I found was, I was doing some research and I found out that UGC creator is something, but here UGC maker has not much moat. Then there is UGC ads, where you can, this one which was also released like very recently, UGC video ads, AI video ads. So what features does it provide? Uploaded images, AI avatar, your product, UGC ad. So they are doing a lot. The GT lab, have you heard of the BMAD method? What is the BMAD method? I haven't. So I'm pretty sure this app was built by some Indian guy, because they have given an Indian option. Oh, freaking hell, man. This guy has a catalog of crazy apps. Hmm. Uh, Check on GitHub. It's an AI agile workflow like Spec Kit. What is it? What is it? What did you say? Heard about BMAD method. BMAD method GitHub. BMAD method Universal AI Agent Framework. Currently stable. Next major is V6. Foundation in is it this thing which you are talking about? Am I on the right track? Okay. I think we should talk to our chat GPT Atlas and start learning about it from this. Can you tell me in summary what this is about? Have you heard of okay. Hey, zero degree, open spec, etc. Cool. How are you? Hey, I'm good. How are you? I saw you released an app. Congrats. The GitLab. It will help you stay organized with AI coding. Oh, really? Yeah, let's do some talking to the model. It will be useful. Samuel, we can't see your screen. Fix it, bro. Is it? Shit. Yeah, yesterday also this stupid issue was happening with my screen. I'm really sorry for this. I don't know. OBS is I don't know. I upgraded to this Mac OS Tahoe, and I don't know if this issue started happening with this Tahoe version. This is crazy, man. I'm really sorry. Zero degree. Hey, I have some couple of doubts on the app monetization. Did you implement subscription module or credit based? How did you really approach this? So I have a credit based system. I'm using my own AI Sidekick service, which works on a credit based model. It took me quite some time to have a proper transactional credit based system because AI credits can just skyrocket, and as I'm planning to make a lot of apps, it's just makes sense to write a very solid credit system once and use it for all other apps. So that's how I'm going ahead with. So once you subscribe, user gets credits which renews every week or month or year depending on which payment subscription they have used, and based on that, user gets a notification once their credits are exhausted. But I could tell it was not easy to make. Like that whole credit based economy which I had to build by myself took a very very long time, and that was the major development which I spent a lot of time in last 2 months. You can't see your other screen. Now you can, I think, right? Or is it getting stuck again and again? It's getting freaking stuck again and again. This thing, I tell you, this OBS thing. Zero degree credit with subscription module, right? Yes, like user gets credits when they buy a subscription. So if you get a weekly subscription of, let's say, $9, then you give them some credits, and which renews every week. And if they pay for yearly, you give them some credits immediately once they pay, and which renews every year. But make sure security is tight on your app. Do not share client side keys at all, and make sure any call which is going from your client to server is like rate limited and nobody can misuse them, because I have seen a couple of users who misuse who can like find out what request you are sending, and they will start spoofing your request to misuse your AI credits. So yeah, make security quite tight. Okay, now we'll read about this thing which is BMAD method, which the GT Lab told us about, which is this repo is about a framework called BMAT, Breakthrough Method for Agile AI Driven Development. Here's the summary. BMAT is a universal AI agent framework that automates the entire software development lifecycle using specialized AI agents, combining agile methodologies with multi-agent collaboration. It's designed to let AI act like a full product team, analyst, PM, architect, scrum master, developer, QA, that plans, builds, and manages project together. Two main innovations. Agentic planning. Dedicated AI agents collaborate with you to create detailed PRDs and architecture docs, human plus planning. Context engineered development. The Scrum Master, how it's used. Install it with NPX BMAT install. Use the web UI for planning PRD plus architecture. Use IDE workflow for coding and QA. Extend functionality with expansion packs. Creative writing, wellness, business, etc. It's available via NPM. Requires Node. Resource. Okay, so we can just install it. What? We can just install it then. Let's try it. Following packages. Yes, install it. BMAT basically breaks down your project into epics and stories and you execute them one by one. Nice, let's see. Where would you like to install BMAT core? Yes. Yes. Complete and recommend all agents and tools. Single agent. Choose one agent to install. Let's install all agent. Where ID are you using? Cursor. Okay, Cursor. I'm using plot code as well. Would you like to do? Install anyway. Directory, node modules, BMAT method found, BMAT code directory, but no manifest. Install anyway, overwrite file, yes. Now what? These bundles work independently without this installation and can be shared, moved, or used in other project. Fail to copy directory, source and destination. Okay, now how to run this? Okay, I have installed using npx. Now how to run this? 0 degree. No, I had implemented the Discord notification on every computational task inspired by you. Nice. Yeah, that's a good way to get visibility on what's happening. But yeah, that's just observability which you are adding on Discord. I mean, add security as well, because if someone gets the key and or the API and they start spamming that API which you are calling for your AI requests, then it would be a little bit troublesome, right? They can generate a lot more without your credit system rate limiting them. I hope you have had a rate limit and security checks when on each request which is going through. The GT level, I can help. I have done multiple projects with it. First time is confusing as hell. Yeah, man, just help me. What to do now? Like npx, I have done this. Npx help, and then npx start the full stack AI team recommended. Should I just run this command? Go into cursor and start a terminal, then start the PM agent. It should be a / command. Okay, let's do it here then in this project. UGC maker, plot, yes, / what to do here now? So I'm on the Claude. Go into cursor and start a terminal, then start the PM agent. It should be a / command. Like how? PM, product manager. I don't know how. 0 degree. One more question. It's been a week to release my over Play Store and App Store. I got good impressions and got installed 5 over Play Store, but App Store had 0 impressions, sadly. Yeah, App Store is like not being very nice to new apps as of now. So we'll have to find some other way of marketing. ASO is not working that great. This has been my like conversation with of my colleagues who are building iOS apps. So App Store is like tightening a grip because there is like too many developers pushing apps at this point. So I'm like I'm also looking for some other methods instead of just relying on ASO. But for now, I'm not like in the mood to market anything. I'm just in the process of making this template much cleaner and adding more apps. So once I have like 10 apps, then I'll start marketing them as well. That's my plan. The GT Lab, go to docs user guide and look at the diagram and follow from top to bottom. Go to docs user guide. Okay, let's go to docs. Where is docs? Then user guide. User guide. Okay, here it is. The planning workflow. Start, project idea, optional, analyst research, brainstorm, market research, competitor analysis. Wow, it does all the things from start to finish. This is crazy good. Thank you. Thank you for sharing this, man. I will spend some time tomorrow on this to understand what exactly is it and if it is helping me or not. But on paper, it looks pretty impressive already. The amount of work these guys have done. Who is the team behind it? Uh, okay. It's a very private project for now. But already 20,000 stars. Semantic release bot. BMAT code. Okay, so this is the guy, I think. Is this the guy? 23,000 subscribers. What kind of videos? Nice. Okay, okay. 0 degree. Yeah, makes sense. But my replicate had only $10 max. Yeah, we'll add more app limits and security soon. But yet I didn't face any challenge. Yeah, that's the thing with security, man. Like you do not face any challenge initially, but when you do, and then you like panic. What the fuck happened? Happened with me. So that's why I take security a little bit more seriously than anything else. Because once your app starts getting users and you feel like, oh wow, things are flowing finally, and suddenly bam, someone will start to spam you, DDoS you, and you will be like sleepless for days and nights because you have to implement those things. So I sleep well knowing that okay, there is a rate limit. I will like my server will handle this. By the way, what are you doing today? Today, like I did a lot of work in the daytime already, almost like 3 hours of coding. I was planning to not do this stream to be honest, but then I thought, okay, let's do it. And I'm working on this new app, which is for like social content generation, which is a simple app, a UGC maker. You create hooks of people talking about your product, like a 3 or 5 second hook. So UGC ad maker kind of app, which will the first version will only have like a prompt you give. This is my app or something. You write like, hey, this is my app, which converts old photos into new modern looking photos, and you send it. And then there will be like a video of a girl or a guy talking about your app or of your like giving a review of your app for 5 seconds. So you can put it on your social media, because I'm also planning to do a couple of these channels, starting channels, and start posting content so that people find out about these apps, get some more visibility and not just rely on ASO. So this app could help me do that. Plus I have a friend who is also doing a little bit of marketing of his app. Maybe I'll share this idea with him if he's interested in it, because right now he's making all this by himself while going to the official dashboard of these websites, which are not very friendly. If and whereas in this app I can give like more templates, more features, more like you just drag and drop images. The person will be wearing your company logo or your company's website, t-shirt or shirt, something like that. The GT Lab PM interactive PRD. I can't see your cursor screen. Oh man, this OBS is freaking hell. You can. Thank you, GT Lab. Make sure cursor is open where you installed BMAT same folder. Each one of those is an agent like analyst. You can go to straight to PM, create PRD since you know what you want to make. Okay. I can get you started. Just start the PM agent in cursor. Hey, I'm late, but I made it. Hey, Blinken, welcome to the stream, man. How are you doing? Interesting. What is BMAT method? Are you gonna use VO3 and Sora? Let's see. I'm thinking of using a very cheap video model first, and then I will also give an option for VO3 fast, and then also Sora. But Sora I will give like in the end. Initially, the MVP will not have Sora or anything, because I just want to test it out if it even works as an MVP, and it will be like one other app which will help me personally. And I want to just do this app in 3 days. Like today is Friday. I'm just conceptualizing it on Friday, and I'm thinking by Monday this app should be ready. So by Monday when I'm doing this stream, let's hope this app is ready. But my Saturday and Sunday are a little bit packed. I don't know, like Saturday I have to meet a friend, and on Sunday also I'm meeting someone. So Saturday, Sunday will be too tight. So I don't know if I'll have enough time to finish it. Plus I'm also waiting for Apple to review the app, so they will obviously give me hard time. I'll have to spend some time on that too. GT Lab, I'll come back to you now. What do we have to do now, you said? So first of all, I installed it globally. Did I made a mistake by doing that? Here it is. So I installed it globally somewhere. It asked me which directory. I said I just installed it on BMAT core, which is ls. Here, I guess. Oh wait, open on shift dot here somewhere dot bmat. Do you see any bmat here? Dot bmat. I don't know, where is it? Is it here anywhere? Do you see any bmat here? A, B, C. No, there is no bmat here. I'm great. It's Friday and my daughter's 16th birthday, so it's gonna be a great day. Oh, happy birthday to her. And yeah, amazing. Enjoy the day. The GT Lab, it will create folders like bmat. Go to a new folder and do the install there. It asked where do you want to install bmat. Got it. So it's not like a global thing. I'll have to do it everywhere where I have to like add it, right? So currently, like let's say if I'm working on this UGC maker, I want to add it here. So I will do bmat method install on the root. Are we on the root? Wait. Let me make sure. Yes, we are on the root. So I'll do an npx bmat. Yes. Enter the full path of your project directory where bmat should install. User. Why is it giving like users div npm npx? Like, is it right? Because I think here it's installing it globally. I don't know. This time the results are a little bit different. bmat 2D phaser game, 2D unity game, creative writing. Oh, there is creative writing also. bmat Godot game engine, bmat infrastructure DevOps. So I'll just select bmat agile core system. Okay. Then will the PRD be shared into multiple files? Sharded into multiple files? No. Let's have. Will the architecture document be sharded into multiple files? No. It's not that big project. Do you acknowledge this requirement and want to proceed? Yes. Cursor and Cloud Code. Yeah, that's it. Cursor and Cloud Code. Oh, yes. GT Lab is sending a lot of message. Hope those are not that I am such a noob. It will create folders. It asks where you want. Blinken. What are we installing? Hey Blinken, so GT Lab shared this BMAD, which is an AI architecture workflow method. I'll share the link here for anyone who is interested. Do check it out. I'm finding it very interesting. That's why I'm just trying it out. What are we? Create a new folder, cd new folder, run install bmad, open that folder in cursor. Yes, correct. You could just do dot to install in current directory. Yes. No answer. Yes, lol. I didn't do dot. I just did enter. I thought like it will take the default location, whatever it is. What web bundles would you like to include? All available bundles. Yes, include all available bundles. Enter directory, web bundles, whatever. Please read the user guided doc also installed at this. This guide contains essential information. I don't need to read your guide. I have a guy. I know a guy who knows a guy what BMAD is. When it asks to shard, answer yes. I said no. I said no to the sharding because I thought it will just create too many things. Where is this? Like it has not created anything on my project. So somewhere else it has created the thing. Should I install it again? Oh man, this is getting complicated. What should I do now? I have done something. I'll do again. Install again. Okay. Yes, install. This time I will do a dot. Install it here. BMAD agile system. Yes. Would you like PRD into multiple files? I'll do yes. Will you architecture document it? Yes. Which cursor and plot code? Enter. Yes. Then all available bundles. Yes. Enter directory for web bundles. Directory. Cool. Okay, I can see now the BMAT core and a lot of other things. Agent, team all, YAML. Okay, now I have a lot of things. What next? Blinken, it's quite screen froze. What the hell? What to do with this OBS, man? This OBS is freaking... I don't know if... What is happening with this OBS? It should be back. It should be back now. I'm sorry. So this is where I am, GT Lab. I hope you haven't given up on me so far. So now what to do? Now, can I run Claude here? But I'm noticing another thing. Sonnet 4.5 usage API billing. Cursor chat do /PM. Ooh. And then anything else? Agent PM is running. Hello, I'm John, your product manager agent. I'm here to help with creating PRD's product strategy feature prioritization. Let me first check the project configuration and show you the available commands. Nice. Or even here we can do this. Flash. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is good. This is something new. So what it has done, based on the agent configuration, here are the available commands. Create PRD, create a product requirement document using the standard template. Create brownfield PRD, create a PRD for existing brownfield project. Create epic, create a story, shard PRD, correct course, doc out, YOLO, exit. I'm ready to help you. So yeah, let's create a PRD. Create PRD. How to create a PRD? Available commands, create PRD, but it's not taking create PRD command. It's showing brownfield story. Do one. Oh, okay. So one like this. in the Claude. I recommend it will give guide now. Why so many errors with your Claude code? Invalid slash command be mad. I don't know. Just enter one. Okay, let's enter one. I see you have selected option 1. Okay, let me give you a PRD. Screws agent skills are insane. Yeah, I mean, I'm starting to use skills as well. I just tested out with one other project, very small demo project, and after that I was like, I couldn't continue on it. But I am like too much hyped about skills. I want to add like a screenshot creator skill. Then there is a landing page creator skill. It will solve so much of my time and effort. Hey Sam, how are you? Welcome to the stream. It's doing its thing. Now I'm a little bit worried that is it using my Kimi K2 key or is it using my Claude key? Because earlier it used to show that moonshot endpoint. I hope it's using the Kimi K2 thing. I see you have selected option 1, create a PRD. But PRD of what? It has not asked me, or will it create a whole PRD of my whole project right now? Your Claude code is acting weird. Just try cursor chat. Maybe. Sam, I want to buy new hardware and break some hardware as well. What? Which hardware you want to break? Create PRDs 2 here this time. So let's close this. Perfect. I have loaded the PRD. Starting product document. I am about to guide you through the creating a comprehensive PRD workflow preference. PRD first stop project brief. More room to the chat. Open. This is the first time I'm watching something like this. What is this screen in cursor? I have never seen this. Is this the agent workflow? Bro, what have you installed on my machine? What is this? We need more room and now we are in a new room here. Crazy. GitLab, and I recommend the good models for creating PRD, no cheap models. It's interactive. It will ask you what are you trying to make and guide you through the whole process. Screen froze. This is screen, man. Thank you. It's back now, I guess. Sam, my whole streaming setup got messed today. It's not an Inception kind of setup. What happened? Did the rain came inside? So what it is showing is, oh, you are saying no cheap model. So we have to use either like GPT-5 or maybe Sonnet. Sonnet is expensive. Even this Supernova is also like expensive model currently. No, not this one. Cheetah is expensive. Yeah. It's like $10 per million output token. GPT-5 is good. Gemini Pro is good. But yeah, I'm just testing it out for now. Once I do a really good work, then I'll use the expensive one. Say I don't have a product brief, but I know what I want to make. No project brief. What would you like to do? I don't have a product brief, but I know what I want to make. How does it know the app name is PixFix? Now the one other problem which I have to fix is why PixFix is a thing here. So there is no PixFix. How? There is PixFix. In the cursor rule, the app is called PixFix. Freaking hell, UGC maker. So it's taking the cursor rules. Got it. Sam, hard to explain. We'll show tomorrow. Okay, cool. The GPT 5 or 4.5 for Gemini 2.5. Got it. Once I really want to do some good work on it, maybe I'll use this, specifically this app itself, which I'm working on, build a proper PRD. What's the matter? Quick recommend. While a product brief isn't mandatory, having one strong foundation. What problem PickFix solves? Question problem. What specific problem does PickFix solve? So our app name is UGC Maker. Let's call it that. Blinken, it rained all night last night and it's been raining most of the day so far today. Hey, same here. It was raining quite a lot today. Even the weather till evening was pretty bad. It was windy, cold and rainy. It feels like July all over again. I also heard like there is some storm coming towards Goa from the Indian Ocean. Wait, try the analyst agent and it will analyze, create project brief. Analyst, create project brief. How to do that? Analyze, agent, analyst. I'm switching to analyst mode now. Nice. Hey there, I'm Mary, your business analyst. Hey Mary, I'm here to help you discover, research and strategize whether you need to brainstorm ideas. And cool, what I can help you discover, research today. What you can do is create a comprehensive project brief too. Excellent, I have loaded the project brief template. Now let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to check in which mode would you prefer? Interactive mode, we work through each other together one at a time. I would really go with one. Okay, interactive, step by step, quick context. What inputs do you have already? Do you have any brainstorming notes, competitive analysis, or market research reference? Any wireframes, mockups? Man, this is screen freezes really bumming me out. Do you have any brainstorm notes? Okay, any wireframe mockups or have any fresh building from your vision team? And I think this is a good one if I just talk to it with my super whisper instead of just typing, and I can give it a lot of context. I want to see what kind of output it can create, but I'll work on it tomorrow. Thank you GPT Labs for sharing this. This is really interesting. Like so far I like it. I don't know what the output it will create, but for now I am liking it. Now the real liking happens if the output is also that great. All your project notes, anything you have. How was your experience with it, with using this thing? Shit, it has created a ton of files, man. Team, no UI. So basically what this is a lot of prompts crafted in detail. So we are just triggering those via these commands and they will perform in the best use case. Instead of me asking or giving it a prompt, the prompts are already listed for them. I remember there was another one, Flux prompt, some project like that. Flux prompt. Was it Flux? What did crash? Fabric. Get Fabric GitHub prompt. Yeah, this one. I remember like the #1 coding agent. So this used to do the same thing. There are a lot of things inside it. If you want to use it for many use cases, for coding, for writing, and this guy is working on it for last like couple of years now. It has like how many? 34,000 stars. And this guy, same, he has also a YouTube channel. I tried this, but yeah, let me also try this Be Mad also. It's really good. 1000 plus line of PRD and 1000 line of architecture MD and a ton of epics and stories. Then you do dev and it will start working on a story. Nice, that's great. Yeah, let me see how useful it's getting. Cool. So I'll wrap this stream for today. I'll be going to sleep. I'm feeling very sleepy and I have to attend a call of my friend after this. So yeah, again, thank you so much, guys. It's been great in this session. I'll see you tomorrow and hopefully we'll be working on this UGC maker and I'll work on it in the daytime as well. We'll finish some part of it. We'll share my update. Cool. Thank you. And thank you GT Lab for sharing this BMAT. I'll be trying it tomorrow.